Welcome to our fifth webinar as Papillon 7 month. This is the last webinar of this year. I'm your host, Yulet Tatlıcan, and I work here as an executive assistant and project officer. As Papillon 7 month, we are Turkey's first biometric technology manufacturer established in 2012. We are a company that went public in 2019. We started this journey as a startup initiative to develop biometric security, public security, criminal analysis, citizen and immigrant management technologies, and we offer many services by carrying out R&D and system development activities on subjects such as facial recognition systems, fingerprint in security sector, data footprint in the healthcare sector, contactless passenger experiences in travel and transportation, as well as artificial intelligence, smart security, and multimedia processing. In today's webinar, Musa Gezer is with us as our guest. So let me introduce Mr. Gezer a little. He completed his bachelor's degree in computer engineering at Izmir Institute of Technology. He continued his master's degree at Middle East Technical University in computer engineering and has been working at Papillon since July 2013. He has worked in various police and gendarmerie projects and on solutions such as ABIS systems. So today, we will talk about the ABIS system with Mr. Gezer, and he will tell us about the ABIS system in 5 questions. Mr. Gezer, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you, Yulet, and excited to be here and discuss the fascinating world of the ABIS system with all of you. And how about you?
I am also good, thank you so much. So let me start with my first question. What is the ABIS system and who can use it?
The ABIS system is not just a one science, so it involves expertise in 5 different sophisticated files. It holds significant positions in ensuring a country's fundamental existence. The ABIS system serves as the evidence of who is who and what is what, and the nature of the events. An unquestionable foundation, almost a given reality, and it encompasses the science of probability in understanding certainty, and image processing in making sense of it, hardware engineering in query process, also database engineering, machine learning in intelligence, modular indexing technology. It also includes positive science in managing the entire processes. However, it's not just about the technology. It also includes positive science such as biology, dermatology, human anatomy, sounds, and artificial intelligence. Therefore, in ABIS, a company requires a research team with expertise in at least 5 or 6 doctoral files, and solid research and development facility accumulated over many years. On one hand, it demands speed because there are systems actively used by customers like 24 hours in 7 days, which requires active file support. Due to the effective needs of customer, the agile development is necessary, leading to natural consequences of effective project management. Abbreviated as ABIS, we can say Automatic Biometric Identification System. In real-life applications, it appears as the National Citizen Management System, National Traffic Management System, Passenger Management System, Border Management System, Crime and Criminal Management System, Facility Security System, Payment Identification Verification System, digital onboarding, and more. So the ABIS, an automated biometric identification system. Briefly, this system uses biometric data such as fingerprint recognition, face recognition, iris recognition to automatically identify individuals. In some of variations, we can see the DNA information or voice recognition in ABIS systems too. The primary purpose of the ABIS is to quickly and accurately match biometric data against large database to identify individuals and verify their identity. It is commonly used by agencies such as law enforcement, border control, immigration, and other security-related ones. The law enforcement agency often use the ABIS to match fingerprint found at crime scene, which we generally call them latent. And border control and immigration authorities use ABIS to verify identity of individuals entering or leaving the country. Some countries use ABIS as a part of their national identification system. This is commonly in systems where individuals are issued biometric-based ID cards. So the use of automatic biometric identification system is not also limited to government agencies alone. It has also found in various small entities and projects across different sectors, such as security for small businesses, time and attendance tracking, healthcare projects, education sectors, access to digital services, biometric payments, so etc. We can just give some more examples about this one. And for example, the fingerprint data captured by ABIS can be integrated into e-gates and exit entry access control systems for identify verifications. And the individuals can use their fingerprint to gain access through the electronic gates at border or access points, security facilities, or controlled entry points. The main idea of ABIS in the backend is to use advanced algorithms to automate the identification of individuals based on their biometric characteristics. And the backend of the ABIS is responsible for biometric data capture, database storage, matching algorithms, research and retrieval records, scoring and threshold to potential matches, decision making, and integration with third-party applications that I mentioned. And in summary, we can say that the idea of ABIS is to leverage the technology to automate and streamline the process of identifying individuals based on their unique characteristics, such as fingerprint, face, iris, and enhancing security and reducing the reliance on the traditional identification methods.
So it's a very comprehensive system. Okay, so for the second question, what kind of biometric information can be analyzed on ABIS?
The automated biometric identification system are capable of analyzing various types of biometric information to identify and verify individuals. Most common types are fingerprint, face, and iris. The fingerprint recognition is one of the oldest and most widely used biometric identification methods. ABIS can analyze the unique patterns in the individual's fingerprints for accurate identification. Fingerprint identification involves the analysis of the different types of fingerprint, each with its own characteristics and application. Rolled fingerprints are taken by rolling each finger from one side to other side. And plain or slab fingerprints are obtained by simultaneously pressing all fingers of the hand onto the device of the surface. Latent fingerprints are impressions left by the ridges of fingerprints on the surface touched. They generally in crime scene data. And palm prints are impressions of the entire palm with different regions such as upper palm, lower palm, or right palm. Also, in some application, footprints are also using in this category. In all type of the fingerprints, the ridges and the valleys of the fingerprint create unique and distinctive pattern that vary from one person to another person. And fingerprint analysis focuses on minutiae points, which are specific points, and ABIS use algorithms to analyze and match the minutiae points in fingerprint. For face recognition, ABIS can analyze facial features such as distance between eyes, noise, and mount to create a unique facial profile. During enrollment of the face, an individual's facial features are captured and converted into the unique template. This template stored in the database for future matching. And there are generally two types of the main approach to facial recognition in ABIS. First is 3D facial recognition, which analyze image or video frames into 2 dimensions. Second is 3D facial recognition that utilize depth perception to create a 3-dimensional map of the facial features and providing additional accuracy and security to help machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms. And in iris recognition, it involves capturing the unique pattern in the iris of eye. The iris contains patterns of radial lines, furrows, freckles, and other features that are unique to each individual. Even the irises of the identical twins are different, and ABIS can analyze these patterns for highly accurate and secure identification. There are most common biometric data which ABIS can analyze. On the other hand, DNA, voice recognition can also be analyzed in ABIS system. The common idea regarding the searching millions of the records in database, ABIS employs efficient algorithms and indexing techniques to perform rapid and accurate searches. Key aspects of searching are indexing and sorting, parallel processing, advanced matching algorithms, threshold and scoring, distributed databases, data compressions, and storage optimizations and real-time searching.
Okay. So what is the role of artificial intelligence during ABIS operations?
The role of artificial intelligence in ABIS operations is significant and enhancing the efficiency, accuracy, and overall performance of the system. For example, AI plays a crucial role in processing and analyzing biometric data. Machine learning algorithms can adapt and improve over time, allowing the system to better handle variations in biometric data, such as changes in lighting conditions or the quality of captured images. Also, AI-powered matching algorithms are fundamental to ABIS. These algorithms use machine learning techniques and to compare submitted biometric data with the templates stored in the database. And AI enables continuous learning and optimizations of matching processes for increased accuracy. Additionally, AI is utilized for advanced pattern recognition in various biometric modalities, including fingerprint, facial features, and iris patterns. Machine learning models can identify unique patterns, minutia points, and other distinctive features critical for accurate identification. And AI algorithms can assess the quality of fingerprint data captured during enrollment and identification. This helps in filtering out poor quality data and ensures that only reliable information used for matching. In our last research and development based on AI, we come with results that AI-powered ABIS generate 8% extra hits. In other words, I can say that an 8% of increase in identification as a result of reduction of candidate list due to the additional comparisons of fingerprint by AI-powered algorithms. In last version of ABIS, use machine vision to search the most likely candidates, even for complicated, uninformative latents, and finds a native candidate in the candidate list with low index data rate. As a result, additional identifications are established about 8% of previously identified latents for some audience. And this 8% can sound very low, but when we are talking about like 100 million records in database, this 8 means very huge, and it dramatically reduced the operational time of operator in law enforcement. And moreover, in the past, especially latent images have to be coded manually by operator. And now with AI-powered ABIS, these images are coding automatically. And the accuracy of coding is almost similar with the temperate images. And this automated coding approach offers several advantages over manual coding methods, contributing to the efficiency and accuracy of fingerprint recognition system, for example. And it reduced the reliance on manual effort and freeing up human resources for more complex tasks.
Yeah, so it's much more easier with the AI. Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so what is the difference between APFIS, MBIS, and AFIS? What are the differences between those?
So ABIS, AMBIS, AFIS, these are all acronyms related to biometric identification systems, each serving specific purposes and context. ABIS with P is automated palm print and fingerprint identification system, which is designed for identification and verifications of individuals based on palm and fingerprint images. And it is generally used by law enforcement authorities since the palm print is required. On the other hand, MBIS with M, it is multimodal biometric identification system that allows for simultaneous use of different biometric characteristics for identifications, including fingerprint, face recognition, iris recognition, maybe voice, DNA, and other biometric features. AFIS is automated fingerprint identification system, which is designed for identification and verifications of individuals based on fingerprints. In general, according to requirements of all of the relevant informations are captured, such as demographics, facial images, fingerprints. However, the identifications of algorithms depends on the usage of application. And ABIS systems are customizable to meet specific needs and requirements of the users in terms of biometric features and functionalities. For example, while the AFIS is primarily designed for fingerprint identifications, our systems offers the flexibility to integrate additional biometric modalities, including palm prints, facial recognition, iris recognition, and other biometric features. And this allows any organizations to choose the modalities that best suits their needs. Of course, it is worth to say that customization is not limited with biometric feature selection. There are more behind such that integration with third-party applications, database size, customized workflows, data protection levels, database designs, user interfaces, reporting, and so on.
Okay. So, as an ABIS systems expert, could you please tell me about the future of ABIS systems?
This is the hardest question for me, actually, because the technology is surprising us every day. And in the past, we used to laugh when people say that we would live with robots. But now with like smart vacuum cleaners, smartphones, autonomous cars, the cartoon of jet kill families has started to come true, actually.
Yeah, sky is the limit, yes.
Definitely. So we cannot understand what will we go next, like the ChatGPT, for example.
Yeah.
In the future, ABIS systems are poised to play a crucial role in various areas, like particularly in gender and age studies. ABIS can contribute significantly to gender studies by providing robust platform for the collection and analysis of the biometric data and related to gender specific. For example, let me give you a real scenario. The importance of awareness has been underscored, especially in the context of earthquake incident, where the identification of bodies becomes a prominent concern, while DNA analysis can be conducted for individual bodies. But the need for the speed become paramount when dealing with large number like thousands, such as in case of mass casualties. And these systems are emerging as a key asset for maintaining societal order. They can be instrumental in frozen body identification, identifying missing persons, and handling cases related to national child abductions. Notably, with recent surge in human trafficking and existence of large groups engaging in these activities without proper oversights, there is a critical need for efficient systems. And looking ahead, the ABIS systems are expected to contribute significantly to maintaining social order, addressing humanitarian concerns, and ensuring the swift and accurate identifications in various challenging scenarios. And the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in ABIS is expected to be expanded. AI algorithms will contribute to improve matching accuracy, adapt to variations in biometric data, and enhance the overall performance of the identification system. And ongoing advancements in algorithms and hardwares are likely to result in increasing accuracy and faster processing speeds. This is crucial for applications requiring real-time identification, such as border control or law enforcement. Also, there will be growing focus on addressing privacy concerns and ethical considerations associated with biometric data. So future ABIS systems may incorporate associated with biometric data, and future ABIS systems may incorporate privacy enhancing technologies and compliance with GDPR or KVKK in Turkey. Moreover, the use of blockchain technology for securing and managing biometric data become more relevant. Blockchain offers a decentralized and tamper-resistant approach to storing and sharing this sensitive information. Next could be the edge computing, and the integration of edge computing in ABIS can lead to more efficient and decentralized processing. And this particularly relevant for scenarios where quick responses are required, such as access control at remote locations, for example. And cloud-based ABIS solution may gain popularity and offering scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. And this cloud deployment allows for easier access to advanced computing resources and facilities collaborating across organizations, for example. Last but not least, the ABIS system can continue to provide customization options, allowing organizations to tailor the system according to their needs and regulatory requirements by themselves, for example.
Okay. So thank you very much for the detailed information and this pleasant conversation. If our audience have no questions, we will end our webinar here. So there's no question. Yeah.
Also, a big thank you to you. It has been a pleasure discussion with Office System with you. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And thank you very much.
You're very kind. Thank you so much, Mr. Gezer. So thank you very much for listening and tuning with us. See you next year on our next webinar. Thank you.
Thank you very much.